5 toilets, 5 price points. The goal of this list is to give you the single best pick at each budget level, so wherever your number is, there is a clear answer. We start at the mid-budget tier, where most buyers land after research, then cover the budget floor, the mid-range value pick, and the premium and luxury tiers above it. Opening this list is the TOTO Drake, the toilet most buyers arrive at after doing thorough research on what the mid-budget tier can actually deliver. The Drake uses TOTO's Tornado Flush system, a hole-free rim with 2 angled nozzles that generate a centrifugal wash pattern across the bowl surface. Rather than directing water straight down from a rim channel, the dual nozzle system routes water along the bowl wall in a spiral motion, using fluid momentum to carry waste through the trapway. That design reduces the water volume needed per flush cycle while improving consistency, which is why the Drake consistently earns independent testing recognition over single-jet and gravity-only designs at similar price points. The bowl carries Safe On-Tect glaze, an ultra-smooth ceramic surface treatment that prevents waste from adhering between cleaning sessions. Because the surface has no microscopic pores for waste to grip, cleaning frequency decreases, and the bowl holds its appearance longer than an unglazed ceramic. 1.6 gallons per flush, universal height, ADA compliant. The Drake is currently the most reviewed 2-piece toilet on Amazon, with over 900 verified buyers documenting real-world installation and flush performance across a wide range of home bathrooms. At $290, the TOTO Drake sits at the inflection point where the under $300 category stops looking like a compromise and starts looking like the right answer. It opens this list because it is the mid-budget benchmark from which every other price tier on this list should be evaluated. If your budget stops at $250, the Casta Diva MAP 1000 gram one-piece is the pick. At this price tier, most toilets are making trade-offs between flush performance, build format, and accessibility standards. The Casta Diva covers all 3 without a significant compromise at any of them. The flush carries MAP 1000 gram certification, the maximum score issued by independent maximum performance testing, meaning this unit cleared 1000 grams of simulated solid waste in standardized lab conditions. That certification is genuinely rare under $250, and it is the single most reliable indicator of flush performance available in this price tier, because it is issued by a third party rather than stated in the product listing. The ADA chair height is 17.5 inches, a half inch above the standard ADA threshold, providing accessible seating without requiring an extra tall unit. The dual flush operates at 1.0 and 1.28 gallons per flush. The 1.0 gallons per flush partial cycle is among the lowest residential partial flush values available, under $250, giving the budget buyer a water efficiency margin that most competing products at this price level do not offer. One-piece construction eliminates the tank-to-bowl joint, fewer mechanical leak points, and a simpler cleaning profile at the back of the bowl. Elongated bowl, compact footprint, 12-inch rough-in. For a buyer whose number is firmly under $250, the decision framework here is straightforward. The Casta Diva MAP 1000 gram delivers the most independently certified flush performance, ADA accessibility, and water efficiency available in the sub-$250 residential category. At the $400 tier, the decision is usually between more flush technology and more water efficiency. The American Standard H2 option makes a specific argument for water efficiency, and it is the most compelling one available at this price. Its dual flush operates at 0.92 gallons per flush on the partial cycle and 1.28 gallons on the full flush. The 0.92 gallons per flush partial cycle is below the WaterSense threshold, making it one of the lowest residential partial flush values in a 2-piece format anywhere in this price range. For a homeowner with a large household or high daily flush volume, the difference between a standard 1.1 gallons per flush partial cycle and a 0.92 gallons per flush partial cycle accumulates significantly over a full year of use. ADA chair height. 2-piece construction. The installation package includes a soft close seat and a wax ring, the 2 components most commonly missing from toilet boxes at this price tier, requiring a separate hardware store trip mid-install. Including them eliminates that friction for a DIY replacement. The H2 option is not the most aggressive flush product at the $400 tier. That distinction belongs to products with larger flush valves and higher MAP gram ratings. But flush power is not what the H2 option is designed for. It is designed for the long-term calculation, A household that flushes a toilet 30 or more times per day saves meaningful water volume over 12 months at 0.92 gallons per flush partial cycle. For a buyer running that calculation, the H2 option wins this tier. At $500 and above, the category changes. Below $500, the decision is about flush technology, water efficiency, height, and format. Above $500, a new option becomes available: the integrated smart toilet. The Loupusuo is the entry point to that category, with the most verified purchase history currently available. Nearly 800 buyers have rated this unit across residential installations, giving it a real-world track record that most competitors at this price tier do not have. The Loupusuo is a one-piece tankless design, no external tank, direct waterline connection, and the full bidet system built into the unit itself. The bidet seat includes heated seating with adjustable temperature, warm water wash with adjustable pressure and nozzle position, and a warm air dryer, the complete suite of bidet functions that would require a separate add-on seat on any standard toilet. A foam shield dispenser coats the bowl interior before each use, reducing waste adhesion without chemical cleaners. The lid opens automatically as you approach and closes when you leave. An LED display shows active function settings. ADA Comfort Height compliant. For a homeowner who has been weighing a bidet seat alongside a new toilet, wondering whether to buy separately, the Loupusuo removes that question entirely. One unit, one installation, one price. At $539, it represents the most cost-effective entry to the integrated smart toilet category, with a documented buyer base behind it. At the luxury tier, the question shifts from what you are getting to who is standing behind it. The KOHLER Leap is KOHLER's entry into the fully integrated smart toilet format, a one-piece elongated unit with a built-in bidet, dual flush operation, and touchless flush activation. The entire use cycle from approach to flush to departure can occur without physical contact with any surface. Comfort height seating at the ADA standard. Quiet close lid. At $1,999, the KOHLER Leap costs significantly more than the Loupusuo at $539, and that gap requires an explanation. The answer is institutional. KOHLER is one of a small number of U.S. plumbing manufacturers with an established authorized dealer network, a domestic parts distribution infrastructure, and a warranty support system that has operated for over a century. When you buy the Loupusuo, you are buying a product with strong verified buyer reviews. When you buy the KOHLER Leap, you are buying those features, plus KOHLER's full service and replacement parts infrastructure behind every component, from the bidet wash arm, to the flush valve, to the ceramic bowl itself. For a primary bathroom in a home where the toilet sees heavy daily use and where long-term service access matters, that infrastructure premium is what the price gap represents. The Loupusuo at $539 and the KOHLER Leap at $1,999 cover similar feature sets. The difference is who answers the phone in 3 years. For a buyer who wants that answer to be KOHLER, the Leap closes this list at the right position. Those are 5 toilets across every budget in 2026, from the Casta Diva MAP 1000 gram at $239 to the KOHLER Leap at $1,999. The right pick is wherever your number lands. Certified flush performance at entry budget, water efficiency at mid-range, integrated smart features above $500, or KOHLER brand infrastructure at the luxury tier. Links to all 5 are in the description. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe.